This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Auxly. As you can see by the name what this one is all about. Again, this is Auxly. I've talked about this one a couple times here on the channel. It's another MJ play. You can see what it's done here over the last month. This one's kind of up and down. Kind of volatile from the 27 to 30, 31 cent range. When I get into these, I'm in them for the long term. I just kind of sit on them and hold them by the dip. I don't really trade these. I suppose if you wanted to, you could, but that's up to you. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but each to his own. So you can kind of see what this one's done here in the last week. Kind of the 28, 29 cent range kind of came down. And then it's been kind of running up to the 31 cent range here today. And here's kind of what it's done today. Kind of started high and came down like a lot of other stocks. Not quite as drastic as some other stocks that I've looked at today, but still kind of following the same pattern. Auxly receives approval to begin trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange tomorrow on 4/20. So this is a pre-4/20. And you can see this is just dated last Friday the 16th. I did not point out that this one is traded over the counter, so you can't get this one on Robinhood. If you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, feel free to use the links in the description. You can get free stocks on Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade, I use all the platforms from time to time. Just depends on what I'm trading. So, but like I said, they're going to begin trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange tomorrow. So they're a leading packaged goods company, and the MJ products market is pleased to announce that they received final approval for the Toronto Stock Exchange, the TSX, to graduate from the TSX Venture Exchange and list its common shares on the TSX. Auxly's common shares will commence trading on the TSX at the market open on Tuesday, April 20th, 2021, which is tomorrow, 4/20. So you can probably imagine what kind of videos I'll be working on tomorrow. In connection with the listing on the TSX. And again, this just kind of goes over some more information about the TSX. Again, they're a leading Canadian MJ company dedicated to bringing innovative, effective, and high-quality MJ products to the medical wellness and adult use markets. Auxly's experienced team of industry first movers and enterprising visionaries have secured a diversified supply of raw MJ strong clinical, scientific, and operating capabilities and leading research and development infrastructure in order to create trusted products and brands in an expanding global market. You can learn more about them by going to the website. We can click into it right quick. I've went on the website in some of my past videos, and here's what their website looks like. A global leader, branded MJ products to deliver consumer promise, quality, safety, and efficacy. Here you can click in and view the product catalog. So again, tomorrow should be an interesting day for Auxly, not only for the TSX, but for 4/20 should be a very interesting day. Here it kind of goes over some of the partners and Imperial Brands, Inner Spirit, Kindred, Nature Crops, portfolio of cultivation assets provided, expected supply of over 100,000 kilograms per annum. And feel free to pause. I'm just going to kind of scroll through the website. You can go there on your own at auxly.com. Here it kind of goes over their management team. some of the guys on the team. And if you're interested in this company, I would advise you to go to the website and check it out here for yourself. Here's some of the investors, news, product development, licensed processor and analytical testing laboratory, here's some of their brands, the oil, Robinsons and Firstrade. Over here to Reddit. I couldn't find a whole lot of information updating Auxly, but the biggest is the being on the TSX tomorrow. I bought the dip for 3 years. Why you should consider it too. 100% buy. A lot of people say this one's undervalued, just as it says here, the most undervalued weed play, highly shorted, still a penny stock, #1 market share in vapes and edibles, international backing, 1/28th of the market cap of Sundial. And as you follow my channel, Sundial is one that I love to hate. I should put it that way. It's up and down. It's been going down. And so I don't know what's going to be happening with Sundial here in the long term, but I'm still holding, so probably be doing a video on it tomorrow, I'm sure. So go over to StockTwits, see if we can find any information. So this is showing it at 31 cents. Could have got it for 8 cents and the high of 41. Big shout out to Auxly is the top 10 fastest growing MJ stocks, quarter over quarter revenue growth. Like I said, I've talked about this one a couple times. It was left in the comments since I've talked about so many other MJ plays. And then I looked at this one, picked up some shares, and I've made a couple videos about it. And a lot of people seem interested in this one. It looks like a pretty decent one to hold, in my opinion. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do your own due diligence. Sitting on a pile of Sundial too. Same here. I'm sure a lot of people are. Sales doubled in 2020, hitting 2.6 billion. So all of these MJ plays, I'm in them for the long term, as they're all going to continue to go up. The next decade should be rather profitable, but this is Auxly, Sundial, right there, 94 cents, Aurora. Haven't bought any Aurora for a while. I'm in the red on that one. It did a reverse merger on me, and I'm still kind of soured on it, but Afri is one of my favorites, and Tilray. I always see this person about every video I do on MJ as the Wolf of Weed Street here. That's pretty awesome. Imperial Brands has reaffirmed their commitment to Auxly. Haters claimed Auxly was in a bind and an axe over their head. Haters claimed Imperial was going to demand payment and they were no longer interested in MJ. Undervalued in the radar, MJ company in the sector. And I've talked about all these before: Aurora, Sundial, CGC, Hexo. Probably be hitting on a lot more of them tomorrow as well. So But if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and promote the videos out to others, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Be watching tonight and tomorrow, as I'll be dropping a lot of 420 videos. So again, this is Jay Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.